Hi everyone, today we'll be learning an iconic dish that everyone will enjoy, the crab fried rice. The dish serves stew, and these are the ingredients that we will be using. Shitake mushrooms are very flavorful, and their umaminess will bring the fried rice to another level. Rehydrate the mushrooms and carrots by soaking them in boiling water. We will then separate 3 egg yolks from their egg whites and store them separately. We will first bring out the flavor and aroma of the egg yolks by stir-frying it separately from the egg whites. The reason for doing this is because we do not want to overcook the egg whites, as we want it to be fluffy. As for the egg yolks, the full profile of the yolks will only be released if it is 100% cooked. As you can see, once the egg whites form a fluffy texture, we will remove it from the pan and store it aside. Oil the pan with lard or scallion oil before adding the mushroom and carrots. This step will further enhance the aroma of the fried rice. After stir frying for about 10 seconds, we will add in the egg yolks and break it apart. Remember to use high heat when stir frying, as we do not want to simmer the dish instead of frying it. For the rice, my suggestion is to cook it to a doneness of 80% before adding it in, and also to cool it before using it. A rice that is hot and warm will have moisture on it. This will cause the fried rice to be very mushy. After stir frying and mixing the fried rice for a bit, we will add in a generous amount of cooking wine to add some fragrance and moisture to the dish. As you can see, the only way to smash and toss the rice evenly is to have semi-hard rice. If your rice is overcooked and soft, the moisture will cause the rice to be mushy and stick to your pan and ladle. Once the rice starts jumping on the pan, which indicates that it is semi-dry, this is when you can add in the crab meat. If you find that the rice is too dry, you can also choose to add some scallion oil over it, but do not add water to the rice. We will now lower the heat to the lowest it can be and add in approximately 2 tablespoons of Thai fish sauce. Half a teaspoon of chicken stock powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now we will turn up the heat to its highest and stir fry. After evenly mixing the seasonings, we will add in the egg whites and stir fry for approximately 10 seconds. Add in the spring onions and stir fry for another 10 seconds before serving. You can actually improvise this dish by adding in your own vegetables like corn, beans, or probably even artificial crab sticks. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you like what you are watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. See you next time.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.